क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? ये करने का क्या फायदा है? What is the use of doing this? What is the use of doing this? ये निशान कैसा है? What is this mark? What is this mark? बात क्या है? What's the matter? What's the matter? कुछ भी हो. Whatever the case may be. Whatever the case may be. जान है तो जहान है. While life is yours, the world is yours. While life is yours, the world is yours. तुम मुझसे सवाल करने वाले होते कौन हो? Who are you to question me? Who are you to question me? ईमान है तो सब कुछ है. He who has truth has all. He who has truth has all. कौन सा दरख्त है जिसको हवा नहीं लगी? Who is without fault? Who is without fault? अपनी सोच में गुम क्यों हो? Why are you lost in your thoughts? Why are you lost in your thoughts? ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? क्यों? क्या हुआ? Why? What happened? Why? What happened? ताज्जुब खेज. Wonderful. Wonderful. तौलिया निचोड़ दो. Wring out the towel. Wring out the towel. साफ साफ लिखो. Write legibly. Write legibly. मुझे इस पते पर खत भेजो. Write to me at this address. Write to me at this address. आपकी हालत पहले से कुछ ज्यादा खराब है. You are much worse than before. You are much worse than before. आप बिल्कुल भी मोटे नहीं हैं. बस ये आपका गुमान है. You are not fat at all. It's all in your mind. You are not fat at all. It's all in your mind. आपका यहाँ से अब फौरन निकल जाना बेहतर होगा. You had better get the hell out of there. You had better get the hell out of there. तुमने मेरी चाय गिरा दी, अहमक कहीं के. You have spit my tea. You need wait. You have spit my tea. You need wait. तुम सही हो. You are right. You are right. तुम्हें इसी वजह से पागल कहा जाता है. You are therefore called mad. You are therefore called mad. तुम बड़े चिड़चिड़े मिजाज के हो. You are very short-tempered. You are very short-tempered. जब तक आप इस शहर में रुके हैं, इस घर में ठहर सकते हैं. You can stay in this house as long as you stay in the city. You can stay in this house as long as you stay in the city. तुम मुझे कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकते. You can't do me any harm. तुम इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't get away like this. You can't get away like this. आपने मुझे 5 मिनट इंतजार करवाया. You kept me waiting for 5 minutes. You kept me waiting for 5 minutes. آپ جا سکتے ہیں. You may go. You may go. تمہیں پہلے سے زیادہ عقل مندی سے کام کرنے کی ضرورت ہے. You need to work more wisely than before. You need to work more wisely than before. تمہیں عقل مندی سے کام کرنے کی ضرورت ہے. You need to work wisely. You need to work wisely. آپ تو نمائش گاہ کے لائق ہیں. You ought to be put in the museum. You ought to be put in the museum. تمہیں شرم آنی چاہیے. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. آپ کو مجھ پر مہربان ہونا چاہیے. You should be kind to me. You should be kind to me. تم زور سے بولتے ہو. You speak loudly. You speak loudly. تم حد سے زیادہ زور سے بولتے ہو. You speak too loudly. You speak too loudly. آپ کو جان کر حیرانی ہوگی. You will be surprised to know. You will be surprised to know. اپنی عزت اپنے ہاتھ میں ہے. Your honor is in your own hands. Your honor is in your own hands. تمہارا دماغ بہت زیادہ چل رہا ہے. Your mind is racing too much. Your mind is racing too much. تمہاری ناک بہہ رہی ہے. Your nose is running. Your nose is running. سچ بتاؤں تو مجھے پڑھنے کا شوق نہیں ہے. To tell you the truth, I'm not interested in reading. To tell you the truth, I'm not interested in reading. آپ کی گھڑی تیز چلتی ہے. Your watch gains the time. Your watch gains the time. آپ سچ میں بہت اچھے انسان ہیں. You are really a good person. You are really a good person. آپ تقدیر نہیں بدل سکتے. You can't change what has been destined. You can't change what has been destined. کتنے برے ہو تم. You are such a bad guy. You are such a bad guy.